Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the two formula of Microsoft Excel. One is the concatenate and second one is the text to column. This both formula will work differently in Microsoft Excel. The concatenate will work to join the two cell data into the one cell data. However, text to column will work. Suppose if you have data in your cell and if you want such data into the multiple column, then text to column will work. Let us start with the discussion. Concatenate. Suppose this is the data. I have written three names here: Ramesh Patel, Apurva Singh and Tara Khan. You will find that this is the name and this is the surname. Now suppose I want to merge this, then how can I do? I will write here equal to concatenate. I will select text number 1. I will select another text cell, bracket close and just enter. You will find that name and surname will be merged into the one cell. I will again show you how to merge this. Write equal to concatenate, bracket open, select first cell, select second cell and bracket close and press enter. You will find that the name will be merged. Now you can also copy the formula by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now here you will find that between the name and surname there is no space is appearing. So with the help of this formula you can also insert the space between the name and surname. How? I will show you. If you want to space between this two name and surname, that is Ramesh and Patel, between this there should be a one pair, then you have to write here concatenate, select first cell, write comma, here you have to insert inverted comma, then you have to space bar here. So I am keeping here space bar. Now again inverted comma. Now write comma here, select another cell, bracket close. Now you will find that here there is no space between Ramesh and Patel. Here you will find that there is a space between Ramesh and Patel. Next is equal to concatenate, select first cell, comma, inverted comma, space bar, inverted comma, comma, select second cell, bracket close. Now I am copied down this formula in the my last name. So here you will find that there is no space. So with the help of a concatenate you have merged the name without space as well as the with space. Now one more formula is text to column. Suppose the full name is written in this cell. Now if you want here their name should be here and surname should be here. So with the help of text to column you can separate this name as well as the surname. So I am just selecting this. I am here selecting this. Now under the data tab, here you will find text to column. Under the data tab, here you will find text to column. Just select on text to column. This dialog box will open. Here you have to select delimited. So it is already selected. Then press next. Here you have to select space. So as and when there is a space, the data will move to the next column. So now I am pressing next and just finish. Here you will find that name and surname will be separate. This is name Paresh Patel, Virapati Ram Lakshman. So with the help of a text to column, you can change your data, that is your merged data, into the columnar format. So this is the discussion to how to join the text between separate cell into one cell and how to make text to column in your Microsoft Excel. In the next video, we will discuss another features about Microsoft Excel. Thank you.